Hey everyone, September 11th, and this is Mondays with the Mayor. Hope you all had an amazing weekend and you're ready to tackle this week. So we're just going to dive right into what we got going on. This Thursday, also at Town Council, we're going to be talking about some exciting new stuff. We'll be voting on approving a contract with a company that actually has this Ghostbuster type vehicle that drives around our entire town and it checks the quality of our roads, all of it. So there's no guesswork involved and we can tell exactly what roads need to be improved and what roads do not need to be improved. So in the past, road improvement would just happen every 5, 7, 8 years. You just knew that according to the calendar, when a certain road would be fixed. Now it's going to be based off of a need. So that's really, really exciting. So check it out. There's a lot of great information coming up. And then also we're talking about Old Black Canyon Highway, another road going between Prescott Country Club and Stone Ridge Drive. We'll be approving a contract to get 1 mile of that road paved, which is exciting because Yavapai County is paving their other mile. So it's great for the residents of Stone Ridge as well as Raven Ridge in regards to connectivity and also in case of an emergency and someone needs to get out, because currently it's just very, very rough road, and when it rains or snows, it's terrible. So pay attention to that. Speaking more about roads, Glassford Hill repairs are now going southbound. So they've completed the majority of northbound and they would now be going southbound. So please have some patience, be aware. And then I know it's inconvenient, but don't forget about the businesses on Glassford Hill. They still need some love and attention. So soon, folks, I promise this will be all done and Glassford Hill Road will be amazing. So again, if you're out and about, please have some patience and plan accordingly. What else we got going on? We got Town Blood Drive next Tuesday from 9 to 2 p.m. Basically, if you want to be a part of that, come to the Prescott Valley Library, 3rd floor, Crystal Room from 9 to 2 p.m. Again, donate blood if you're available. I know some people who donate blood every chance they have an opportunity to physically do. So again, next Tuesday, 9 to 2, Crystal Room. What else we got going on? We have this Saturday, Movies Under the Stars. This is an amazing event. I don't know if you've ever been to it or not, but basically you show up, theater on the green, you bring your chair, you bring your blanket, you bring some food if you want, and you hang out and you watch a movie on a huge inflatable screen. So this week will be E.T., and then the following Saturday will be Ant-Man and the Wasp, and then September 29th, everyone's favorite, Back to the Future. So again, this is a free event. Bring the kids. Just come on out and just relax and enjoy. And then folks, finishing it up, of course, today is September 11th, and we all know what happened 22 years ago today. Today we will be honoring those that passed away with a ceremony here at 6 p.m. Theater on the Green at the Healing Field. If you haven't had a chance or an opportunity, come on down to basically, you can't miss it, between the police department, the library, the town hall. There's almost 3,000 flags erected that represent everyone that passed away on 9/11. And it's just a great opportunity to just not forget what happened and to remember, either bring your kids or just take an opportunity to walk around. It's open 24 hours. There's lights on site. And again, today, if you have an opportunity, 6 o'clock, come on down, bring a chair, and experience the event that we have. It's truly an amazing, amazing event that I promise you will not forget. So with that being said, folks, we are going to wrap things up. With today being Patriot Day, there's really no need for a dad joke. So hopefully I see you out there tonight. And if not, the flags will be up all week and they'll be coming down on Saturday. So get a chance to come on out. Thanks, folks. We'll see you out there.